Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We're trading right here in the Mojo room. We're in UVXY right now. Let's take some profits, guys, because it dipped a little bit on the first move right there. No problem. And I'll show you what we got going on. I still got the Halloween theme. I'll take that down right now. There we go, ching. All right, everybody. Let's head back on over to the Mojo Day Trade room. I'll show you what we got going on. Some excellent trading, one of the best days of the week for the trading. It was absolutely just phenomenal. Really enjoyed the trading today. I'll show you what we got going on. These are just some of the trades I have going on right there that we did in UVXY just now from 25.53, 500, 500, and then the 1,000 there, and sold it at 64, 69, 72, 72, and back at 63. In again and trading it a couple of times. That's how you make money. And it's moving right now. We'll be selling it again. You can see the trades going by. Hold on. Head on over to the main screen. It's 54 by 55 right now. I bought it at 43 and 47 and 43 right there. Getting ready to sell 500 on this run. Oh man, they were supposed to take 58. Look, they took 53. Worst fill ever. That costed me $20 just for that bad fill. Now I gotta wait for 58. There it is again. I sell it again. It's just amazing. It's 58. I'll put this over here. These are the live trades right here. Got UVXY and the CGC. I just traded that one. And I'll show you what we traded in the room this morning. It was quite phenomenal. As the UVXY does its thing. If you don't see happy people, you need some therapy. You see the happy people, folks? You need some therapy, huh? Who needs therapy? Who doesn't, right? That image. Oh, hold on a second. Back in UV. 42, 40. Back in UV. Right here. Now let me scroll on up. I'll show you what we did for the day. Today was quite phenomenal, folks. Quite phenomenal. So we traded UGAZ, a quarter left on UGAZ, and I'll scroll right to the profits. The whole room traded UGAZ and JDST. Look at these moves right here, beautiful moves. Traded UVXY and CGC. Nice. I've not lost in the last 8 games using some of the MOJO strategy for the poker. I see, JC. Real nice. Love to get a poker game going one day, right? Absolutely. We traded SCS today, which was great. BBBY today, super phenomenal. PCG from 8, we got to 850. Uber from 29 to 29.80 today in the Mojo room. UGAZ, we bought at 12.18, is now 12.56, but it's now 13.04 in the Mojo room. JDST, we nailed it from 15.80 through 16. Beautiful today on that one. Work at 24.90, went to 25.30 on that one. PCG is 860 and 870 on that one. See that? That's just beautiful, right? So we're back in UV for the rise back up. Let's see what happens here. Head back up into 50. Looking good. And we sold UGAZ right there. Beautiful. UGAZ. trading. Let me get back to the screen because my stock's moving again here. 45.44 on UV. I got it at 42 right down there. So we're going to start selling up again into 50. Put some sales up. Bing, 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 bing. 51. Sell. Bing, bing, bing. 54. Sell. Perfect. While that's doing, because I'm going to not pay attention to that, it runs up, I sell. So we nailed this stock, which is, it is one of the most amazingest days ever, best Fridays ever. We nailed this SCS at 331 from 318. That was the cost. And then she ran 334, 335, 339, 340 as UGAZ went from $12.92, $12.94 up into $13. Right there, $12.96, $12.99, 13 done for the day, 1304, 1309. That was from the pre-market trades you saw us in from this morning. And some great trading. All the traders showing their P&Ls of what's going on. Real nice. Scott's just doing it. Ramey's doing it. Work's moving. Computer crashed. Oh no. Oh, so UV's coming down too, but not that much. I hope you had a great day of trading with solid picks on PCG, UGAZ, JDST, CGC, and Uber. Some great trading in the MOJO Day Trading room. Who's this? Pro Trader Mar made $1,799.24. Ramey made $360.92. Pro Trader Scott made $17 on the UGAZ trade, just testing it out. He did a Heinz trade from $12.95 to $13.12. Great job. Who's this? New trader Nathan, first day in the room, $560 on UGAZ. Great job on Pro Trader Nathan. Those are some of the pro traders sharing their profits on the day. And Uber new high. The room rocks. Before, I was working an 80-hour week, making good money, but with absolutely no work and life balance. Thanks for everything, Mike. That's a good testimonial right there. You don't mind if I copy that, do you? Nice. Thank you. Save that. And then that's it. Oh, that TXMD was moving earlier. It's 95 on TXMD. And where else? That's it, guys. So right there was some good trading. That was in the morning. Then we came in. Here's you guys at the high. And UVXY. Going through what we're chitter-chattering in the MOJO chat room for the day. And right here, if you don't see happy people, you need some therapy. See that? That's what you need, some therapy. Once you see them, see how they're raising their arms. He needs therapy. Oh, Pro Trader Rhodes, he made $1,500 selling some puts. You definitely need therapy. There goes TV for that Heinz. I predicted an hour ago. Your system works, bro. I'm rocking with you for the foreseeable future, finally making money. Dude, I like that. I haven't seen that one there either. I'll save that testimonial too. This is a Mar testy on 10/11/2019. And Pro Trader Slab. I like it. Thanks, bud. I'll even throw that one in the testimonials column. Slab. Let me save that one. Bing. So who's the next Pro Trader Slab? So let's go over risk reward. That's what's going on the show. That's what we did a lot today. PCG, JDST, UGAZ, Uber, and CDC. So this morning we wanted PCG at $8. So we wanted it at 8. That was the lucky number. And yesterday it was trading right here on the X, right underneath it. So we knew if it plowed through, it would rock. It went to 860. So on the open, it was 20. This was my play. So it was 20 on the open, 60 it went to ultimately today, but we had the risk reward play earlier. So this right here, when we got it at $8, we risked a nickel. So if she went lower, we would sell it because of 0 commissions and just get out of it and lose a nickel. But if it went up, we got it at 818. If it went up, bam. So we're risking a nickel to the downside. But if it went up, it made 50 cents, 40 cents. So you're risking a nickel to make 40 cents, even 30 cents. My pen is horrible. That's 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 5 to 1. So that's the risk reward ratio on that one. Now let's do the second one. The second one we traded today was a risk reward of JDST and UGAZ. So let me show you right from the beginning. We had a plan from the open. Let me just show you. We had a plan on those stocks right for that. We had to follow for the day right on the open. And we were going by percentages because they were up 1%. So if they went higher, we knew what we were going to make. Right here, I'll show you. At 9:36, it was before the market opened. Very important, this stuff. Here, 9:12. And let's start about right here. So here's my horoscope for today. In the room, you press a pound horoscope, and then your horoscope. Leo, keep your eyes today on the Heinz trades, Mike. This is actually my horoscope. I changed one word, Heinz. Be on the lookout for opportunities and make the most of them. Don't act too hastily. This is a key time in which trading seems to be moving in different directions lately. Change may be just what you need to foster growing your accounts. Don't just grab the first trade that comes your way. Examine your options closely. Make sure you're confident about the situation, then act. Awesome, right? So then here's the analysis. Check it out. Good morning. Yeah. Okay. We did CGC. Let me just show you my analysis. This is. Love the platform. First day was live yesterday. We'll continue to watch and listen for Heinzies today. Great job. Let's crush the market. Where's my JDST? Hold on a second here. Maybe earlier. Right here. So UGAZ is up 1.5% and JDST is up 3%. It was before my horoscope. Right here. JDST and UGAZ. These are the plans for tomorrow. Said it as again yesterday. PCG, UGAZ, JDST. These get green. No place needed to look. So this is yesterday at the end of the day. This was the plan yesterday to get in for today. No place needed. They're going to move 10%. So whatever price they're at, we add 9.5. And this morning it was kind of 5%. So you add 4.5. And that's what they did move. And place the sells there. And by lunchtime, we'll hit them. And that's what they did. This video was made August 4th. of 2014 and has worked ever since. The Heinz. Look at that. That's the Heinz. It's been working ever since, man. The Heinz train. Check out Heinz and Pro Trader Mike. It's my first video I ever made in 2014, 5 years ago, and it's still working today. These are my other videos from today. Nice. So yeah, on that, you subscribe to that was nice. That's my first one I ever made. So JDST and those movers right here, UGAZ is up 1.5%, and then UGAZ moved today a total of 5.6%. So you were able to make the exact move on UGAZ that was predicted, and JDST up 3%. We nailed at the open on the dip, is up 7.5%. So UGAZ is up 6%, and JDST is up 7.5%. That's how you trade the ETFs. That's how you trade the ETFs. Just like that. Pretty cool, right? That's the risk reward. Risking very little to know you can make 4% and $1 on the stock. I wasn't quick enough, that speed. I should be holding 100 CGC from 96. Yeah, it's 90 though. Oh, that was earlier. Yeah, these were the trades when UV spiked, but we're not really trading UV today. We're trading CGC and PCG, and there's the CGC trade. And Ramey actually made $1,064 for today. Great job. Great job. And on this account, he made $541 today. Multiple account trading. Very nice. And that's what we did in the MOJO Day Trade Room. That's how you do risk reward. 5-cent risk. If it could run 30 cents, you got a good trade. Risk 10 cents, it's got to run 50. And that's what you do. What you do. Otherwise, you're winging it. So hopefully everybody had a good day today. Let's check out what's going on. Back on the main screen, if you don't mind. Looking at the UGAZ and the JDST. And no trades. We'll check it out. Show you what's hot and not. Whoa, that's loud. Beautiful. All right. So we got the JDST 1594 by 95. We're looking at UGAZ at 1311. Let's look at what SES is doing now. $3.15. It did recover from that last dip quite dramatically. Traded 19.7 million shares. Did you win today on SES or did you lose? The risk was greater than the reward on that stock. There was. Let's see what else. Second one on the list is this warrant, TIBRW. See what the common is. TIBR is Tiberius Acquisition. It looks like they got bought out. PRPL is Purple Innovation. Great name for a company. $8. Look at the daily. Oh, very nice. Same chart pattern 2 days in a row as I was talking about yesterday. Same chart pattern. Went from 670 to 8. FAST, $36.05. Fastenal. That's a good stock today. Traded 19 million shares on a $36 stock. Just took a big dump. 36. Weech. Stay away. Airy. This one just took a dump too. Looks like they're all dumping. Get long UV. What's UV at 2507? TV is 1281. If TV moves into 13 Heinz, UV is going to move back into 25, 30, and 50. ACRS 135. Nothing. Traded millions. SLDB, Solid Biosciences. That's what's hot, but not really not. SDC is Smiles Direct at 1150. GoPro is hot today, but I picked it 2 days too early. Oh my gosh, it's 377. I'm up on it now. Oh my gosh, it's up 11.5%. Yesterday it was down. Oh, I got my day tomorrow, maybe my set. I was just a day too early, folks. I was just a day too early on GoPro. Got it at 60 though. Up on it. Nice. I was just 1 day too early on that one. Who's that newsletter? That's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. This one never gapped up higher. That's fine. Where is it? Here it is. Bottom fishing for GoPro. For the Swing Trade newsletter on Monday, October 7th. Lower than 375. Just a day too early, man. Should have sent that out on the 8th. Or the 9th. Just a day too early, but that's all right. We like GoPro down there. And that's what GoPro did. Damn, GoPro. Nice job. WTRH, Wader Holdings, Rita is Retta Pharmaceuticals, a $95 stock. Wow, it's up a lot. GSKY, Green Sky. Never heard of it. ARDX, heard of that one. That one's coming up a little bit. 373,000 shares on that one. Next one is INSM, Insamed. I remember when this one was in the 20s. Oh, that was INMD, something like that. The losers. 1532 by 45, down $4 on VIR Biotechnology. Ugh, terrible one. Yandex is down big, 2963 by 66, but these might be the stocks that we got to trade in the next day or two. Because they catch the rebound like Ulta did. Ulta Beauty, up $7 right now. See how Ulta got destroyed? But now it's back up $7. You guys got a little delay going on the tuber, but that's fine. So I like stocks that have actually been like beaten down to the 52-week lows, and then they're finding bottom and support down there for the move back up. This one, XONE, down $1.25. This one's on big volume, but not really. If it was 2.7, it would be better. Years and my Vive. But this one's solid down here. It's got a big, once it moves up big, it's going to move up $1. It's got a float of 450,000 shares on Vive. Lukong Technology, 362, down many days. And this one's coming to an end, may bounce back up. Got an eye on that. This is the stock play that's in favor now. Are these losers that are going to bounce back up? That's what's in play right now. RDHL. See this one? Again, Red Hill Biopharma. Wait for the green. Once you go, bam, it's going to rip. Got a lot of room to make up. OCGN. Same thing. Here, many days ago, it was $7, $8 a share. It's $1.46. Some people are really crashed on this one. ACOR, same thing. Finding support down here at the bottom. Nah. This one didn't work out, but it closed kind of marabuzu yesterday. If it gapped up today, it could have really have gone on twice the volume, but it didn't even trade a quarter of the volume, so the trade play never panned out and worked. ANTX, another bottom barrel downer here at $10. These are all the winners right here that are today's losers. It's tomorrow's winners. Happened yesterday. Royal Gold. That's why JDST is working nice. Fomex on the bottom down here. See, this is that same pattern. This one found its bottom. See it right here. All along here, found its bottom down here. You buy on that green, and look what happened. Bam. That's the new play, man. A lot of low risk, higher reward. The risk is already priced out of these things. That's how I'm seeing it. So let's check out our stocks here for the day now, and then we'll call it a day. Rite Aid, incredible at $9, continuing its daily run up. MOJO swing pick down here in the nitty gritty, off the red at $6.60. Then we have Twitter, actually recovered back at 40.42. So Jason's pick, the Twitter calls, which must go above 45, have lost so much time value, they're worth half the price they did. So even if it does go to 45, you're probably still from time value won't make it back, but may get close to the $2 premium. Next one on the list is AMD, everyone's popular stock, up huge today with a big spike at $29.86 on 40 million shares. 40 million shares is pretty much the average on this stock, you could see right here. So you got that big spike right here on that one. And if you're in Cisco Systems, you're up 74 cents at 46.90 today. That also found its bottom, up very nice. The market's up 400 points today. It's utterly ridiculous. Then you got TVIX at 85 coming back up. UV at 25.11 coming back up. Nugget at 29.35. Nothing, but JDST maybe heading back towards 16. It's at 15.89. May make a nice end of the day run to close strong towards the high over 16, maybe at 16.10, 16.20. Absolutely. There we go. My camera was all, I looked at it, it was all dark. Shed the light, Mojo. Shed the light. As we sit here on Friday at 1 o'clock, feels like 8 o'clock at night. We've been here for so long, trading in the Mojo room. So that's what we got going on. Hopefully everybody did really, really nice today. Hopefully everyone has a great, great weekend. And that's pretty much it, man. Not much else is going on. Nothing to trade. Nothing's moving. Nothing's spiking. The market's not dropping. Market's not spiking. Nothing to do. Nothing to say. So with that, let's see what JB's got going on. He's my man. JB, Doc Start Challenge, and Louis Raw Boat, Short Road Tip. My first, well, check out this one. JB O'Neill, folks. Check him out on YouTube.
What's up, y'all? I'm out here at Next Level Ride. It's actually a super windy day out here. It's kind of hard to see on the GoPro right now, but a lot of us weren't really feeling like fully right.
Because that's just what I wake skate in. I can't afford Vans.
We got Gabe with the Croc Start. Yo, Florian, what are you going to give me?
Nice some French skills.
French skills?
Some flips.
Yeah, flips?
Flips.
Yeah, you want a flip start?
No double up the dog.
French flip start?
Yo.
What do you think? First try?
First try.
before. Maybe you can go. You gotta go to the gym, bro.
Yeah.
What happened?
You need to go to the gym.
Oh, we got 2 people here.
Yeah, let's do it.
You got the black. Hold on really tight.
Yeah. You know.
An upside down wheelie.
Nope. If you're ever starting with a dog, just put them in your lap like this. It's kind of like the best way, I think.
Miss. Oh. Someone's turn.
So that's pretty nice. Nice video by JB. Thanks for sharing, partner. And that's about it. So what I do every day, I make my shows, I talk about day trading, risk reward, what's hot in the market, what's not in the market. You want to see what crypto's doing, I can talk about that sometimes. Crypto's always nice. Come over to Cointelegraph, just take a little look at Tim Draper and see what he's got going on, see what they have. Just take a look at a couple of these. IBM launches a new blockchain using Red Hat technology. New app, Bottle Pay, for sending Bitcoin via social media, raises $2 million. Just looking at what's going on. Let's look at altcoins right here. Bitcoin is at 8,376. In the last 24 hours, it's down 2%, but it's rising right now at 0.15%. So if it does anything, it's going to go through 8,400 and then go test 8,500 again like a magnet, because that's what it does, man. It's only 1:11 in the afternoon. Can you believe it's only 1:11 in the afternoon? Oh my gosh. Crazy. So look at all these exchanges, man. By volume. $1.7 billion this exchange traded in the last 24 hours. So why can't they have this for stocks? So there's no gapping up. You can be trading all day and all night. I'm in UVXY, whatever it is. And then I look here, it's still track. I can see the graph. There's no movement of gapping big. And it's what happened on UGAZ and JDST this morning. It's utterly ridiculous. And you had to sell it yesterday at a low because you have to be flat at the end of the day. It's utterly ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. And that's the stock market. It's just utterly ridiculous. Hopefully things will change in the future. Don't know if in my lifetime, but if it does, it does. What else we got going on? Anybody got any questions out there on YouTube? If not, type them in, leave comments below. Please give me a thumbs up. I already got the thumbs down. I know that's from Ross and my competition guys, but what you gonna do? At least I got him on disliking my video. Thank you. What else is moving? UV's moving. The end of the day. Oh, it's not the end of the day. Oh boy, I thought it was the end of the day. Can you believe it? It's not the end of the day. Wait.